A Guide to Healthy Aging. 1. Introduction. Briefly discuss the importance of herbs in promoting healthy aging. 2. Herb 1. Turmeric. Highlight the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits of turmeric. 3. Benefits of turmeric. Discuss how turmeric can help slow down aging. 4. Herb 2. Ginseng. Introduce ginseng and its rejuvenating properties. 5. Benefits of ginseng. Explain how ginseng can help maintain vitality after 30. 6. Herb 3. Ginkgo biloba. Discuss the memory-enhancing benefits of ginkgo biloba. 7. Benefits of ginkgo biloba. Talk about how ginkgo biloba can help keep the mind sharp. 8. Herb 4. Green tea. Introduce the antioxidant-rich green tea. 9. Benefits of green tea. Discuss how green tea can help protect the skin from aging. 10. Precautions. Discuss any potential side effects or interactions of these herbs.